literacy no ye more and no had the film industry.
Yes, so-called 5-pack 4 no. Omon kasana na edi abro because there is no unity among them. And how many plans, how many vision be say about this car Emma movie industry say monje na mo fanyi sinina e kwambe no mo be fa so dia e. Mr. Beautiful ultimate condemn Agya Koo. Samson that ultimate condemn Mr. Beautiful. Beautiful I affect no. And even kwa Agya Koo the thing na say this time industry ni nyane na so bi.
Lemonade finance and now they send this car Emma Obusia for Ghana no ene yasisa yedi say ye frey lem5 and lem5 it is all person will send this car Obusia for Ghana now UK US and Canada use to lem5 ubenu lem5 or Google Play Store any Apple App Store kai say edino any logo no kwa na asesa services na ye provide no the enwa any that's so the mount. You were the best exchange rate on the market, a free, a fast, and a very secure. Ain't it I say, so we shall lemonade financer, say a free lem5.
And China about 2 time as son Ghana. Na a basaya celebs baby sisters baby or more a promote afa na a year. Mr. Beautiful, Eddie Nensem Amra or promotee, ex-president John Mahama, and some to turn over industry, no, or the Abetuja, abroad is Zion Felix, and come on. But I chair in Fresbo, Apajewaha, and see, like we said, anything about the film industry, you become once near the year to year. A lot of people here, and see, yes, you name the one. Na ye dey ato abonte ne nkofo afemu aba ai we might not be right always and so betim do comment aba na also akire wa adwen na ya shipping industry no to the perfect level ayi nyina ye expect fresh man papa J
Poleeno
be ekoboko
boko
Mr. Beautiful abekasa
yeah
o say e was say Agya Koo mo any wu say omo e promotee MPP Amemoko no na afi so no president Nana Akufo-Addo buy wo go film industry and say
well Poleeno I mention viewers are multi follow our channel yango po show nyina
na me show mo pa
yeah Poleeno say Mr. Beautiful young person ye po bi amana be condemn a fellow artist wa campaigning and I say what the political party be chia can person kon nka ba beka
kon on mekami
de so what say Agya Koo mu bow down on heads in shame for campaigning for NPP so also bow down heads in shame for campaigning for NDC and I said where is NDC now? NDC opposition what I say and NPP ewo power so what I say and obi or campaign am obi aba power and the work campaign am obi ko opposition why na was saying
so say Agya Koo mu de MPP buy no MPP
nyama emfa na
abegu
the same thing na NDC so mean yeah politics
okay
but on na some no be kan na me gina so yeah say NDC ba power that's the MPP kwa that will be kan the same thing be kan san NDC so was amount for so kan
okay
say omo vote omo to omo ye campaign na NDC ba power amane am call wrong sinijuma ebe say no enye NPP ne be say sinijuma o sini no say egunu satana NDC na opa
okay
sini nya wagana sini say egunu na NDC time na sini say egu satana omo na omo power
okay
na Mr. Beautiful what buy na what power
okay
advice ben na odema what buy concerning the movie industry
okay
John Mama the time or try be so be save industry no I'm a police can quite the right industry that time I'm a man for say scan ko didi baby near there antimi am bewura omo wo senka kan omo
maslow crab ma
I'm a omanko for cars what I say my car fan name ni asare be dia komo any guys be jiji cars e so omo ntua
uno nim so man ntua
oh Poleeno ente mo me kan you say me kan keke o
okay
omo jia aban na nyam faso bi emfiri so
okay
so what I say
but aban no try so
or try it
In some person say NDC amemum no. Omo try say omo boy industry.
Yes.
But this time no. There is nothing good for the industry. So I know person want to.
And aban we so air try.
They know aban we aye.
Aban we adwuma we ne say aban we so that time is ono so yes o discover so by industry me so did go for hosa. Yes. Na mama career some be kan want.
Sunday for more promote.
Osi skabi buy ya. Eba for movie industry nankasa kra. Uko eyimo ho a, they go to I only abro ni nkomo. Abro. Sika ba for movie industry.
Abro me ni be din nkomo. Na ne wo hot interview.
Omumfa enhye industry no. E fa he.
Okay.
So I'm abana bani nyina Poleeno omo akoma ma industry no. Omo trust omo bibi e dia ma industry but the people in the game nankasa no.
Na di abro.
E no mo di abro. The so-called 5-pack 4 no. Omonkasa na e di abro because there is no unity among them. And how many plans, how many vision be say aban this car Emma movie industry say monje na mo fanyi sini na e kwambe na mo be fa so dia e.
Okay.
Omo twa sini na e kwambe na fa so amarkete. The last time only Miracle Films edi come no can be about be the perfect app. So aban emfa perfect app meaning say all kan na no keke. All can because of
the perfect app na e wo ho exist. And she say aban be joining na Oman Bima na on the more site they say where you huge you can say o hosted no
yes
it be as a traffic air baso na air jam and say be invest in that app
yes
sana no air can
was suggest but Poleeno producers and directors for now no omuni adwini be omutire wo be revive industry no sa ban this ka be shemi kura na omuni plans bia ni hono. Even and young guys are not omunye producers. Omu kwetimi develop plans. E de ye niama. E de show mankasa ho de bi hwe nkrofo.
Okay.
Those guys no omunye producers o. Omu join 5-pack. Omu kwetimo brains a. Omu ye niama on social media, on the internet a. Omu de promote omu movies. Omu didi. How much more producers are more trust in part 1 and 2? E just stores o kejetia. Any Accra, top movies outside Ghana. A royalties. Na sine juma conform. Muni plans be muni kwato aban ani. Mo hwese aban no and then develop bibi and family mo.
Okay, so if I'm getting you clear, I was say 5-pack and I said the stakeholders of film industry.
Yes.
A plan bibi. Oh.
Yes. Or they should come up with something.
Business plan.
Yes.
They are called to aban.
Yes.
Now buy her business plan.
Asha so.
No man was okay. Any ye discover ma the income beba.
Good.
Nti ye me enkoboa.
Good.
Nti meaning say ye need business plan be for the okay.
You have to set up a proposal. Ye bibi na fako.
I get it.
Say ni pese ye. Na aban no so dey akoto board no more review. Almost adwini bia. No so dey they are supporting. But you don't have. Yem this kind mremo keke. Na munni. Na mo pe. Mr. Beautiful ultimate condemn Agya Koo. Samson Agya Koo ultimate condemn Mr. Beautiful. Beautiful Kora NDC no or call for the personal interest. Satana movie ni adwuma o. No an actor o. No a top actor o. Oh yeah, adwuma charge ya or fan base. But Agya to e no share politics.
So also we na and no cry things that soon na any.
Yes.
So na and producers no.
As sideline. Yes, because Satana we are very very active. Oh, movie industry no. And I do hokura.
But it shouldn't be so.
But Ghana there is like that. Okay. It's like that. It is sir. So now saying I join SSA I don't know, but it is sir.
Okay.
So what I say, it is sir. So when you call yes, Mami Doko did it. Affecting big time. And more Baba can say more be on your side beautiful affecting. And even when Agya Koo the thing yes say. This time the industry ni na so biom say first. Senka industry was na first na you try part 1 and 2 Karimode Ventures or Boy Ventures ya boy wan o se wusu na. E ka farmer no. What I say? Farmer no because ono crop na enya politics boni. Yes I no. Nenya politics o. And kasa obesa no wa politics ko bi no be hwe ni sini. Saturday movie na den asay awie.
Okay.
So what I say?
So anything, any idea be any betimi ama movie a bounce back like gidi to say the previously that
Poleeno say idea be wo hono it should come from the producers. the stakeholders nankasa omo no
you as Papa J we give ni match then idea na say assemble abaka che
Poleeno emre esesa no think yenso yesesa
okay
oh sometime buy piano nko cassette buy na piano nko deck piano kotom Patrick kotom VCD buy emre ne sesa mo nyina san ko VCD DVD buy mo ko DVD ade na mo free DVD ni de mo ntimi ehun say from here na ekọ ha they see here that time who said that pen drive system that time no computer bia on USB
not decoders na
decoder bia on USB
decoder bia so USB
and it kwai am fa so am di inlays share CD cover chi as you use CD biom ade na pen drive mo timi ntwi bi to so mo fan to cover no so na ko bi pepe on koto no ma me
okay
you can put a lock on it on timi and write it and also on timi and record and copy bi fan to bia you can do it a system
flash grant me screenshot
you see
DSTV app screenshot blank yeah
then I'm there you can do this at the time no come see if you kwa and come with me follow no sequentially at the marco but mo hunu
am o be online
there be o mo hunu because o mo nya no mo like make say o me nkrase for
there be too harsh nkrase for this
Poleeno nimdie no
and I was omunyina
nimdie okay mami just aware but no omuni nimdie
okay
never can want to
say if you talk about
knowledge ni ho because obi ba movie industry ni because obi pesika na odi akọ few people be na wo mu a no mo feel say omo na adwuma obi say miracle films no good idea power for the industry hwe kwan of future CDs and how see packaging the CDs ono no the DVD movies e will be 10 movies on one CD start here oh Ghana ha so what I say introduction ko was adwene pa but ebi mu yoma je so mo de mo pepe sika no mo de akwa business no mo ja movie na here at 20 at a point in time all most of the producers no mo nya shop on ton phones obi o yesin adwuma unya sika o de kofa housing charges phones and
one black magic one to red epic
one to CDs one go for machines a bit make a CD or we trust in Kumasi for years no that so trust CDs whatever no I could lie whatever you trying to see the man producer be who say it's about time or see us trying to establish here the Kumasi names you try CDs Kumasi not China for the chum you see if the glass copy and I just hear the cost Singapore Ekotwaba ansana
am dey be try duplicate
ka to di nka that time no mo betimi akwa ban ne ho ye twa movies a yetimi ton within a year and within a month yetimi ton bia o hwe producers we betimi ton 100,000 copies 200,000 copies 50,000 copies ye twa CDs ni more nta ban try na yade we mai
aban nya kra no onte so
ma wo mo nka ban benye sika ama mo so mo yede ahen mo but na a China needs someone, a foreigner. And then yes, I know. On one damn planet. That time, no, Mr. Beautiful, who NDC. What man tons have been on farm more. No, just any. Sini babe gunu, I'm off from doom so. Hey, NDC time.
Okay.
What I say? And the DD money they buy. NPP so about power. Agya Koo so an opportunity. Akwa join no. Also as a movie maker. Also timi suggest bi papa bi farmer. Abana etimi eba boy industry no na industry na ekonkon ho na yesa abesi na ne ene na omodo ho atom past glory so Agya Koo is Agya Koo because ni senior why etwem
obia kita past
obia enjoy when the past glories and now Brown is because of the past glories and I'm for the dinner till now any TV shows are all you know but sini no feeling am for wo ba no ene no omodo so supporting we sini could you cancel win any past glories movies are why etwem and I'm for the who feeling then man so sana bila sama munya kokuma no munyina eno no omode den enam omunya ya nanka industry no enye se ne tie no ebi bet I'm telling you Poleeno aginyame ebe den stress as anyway Poleeno aginyame ebe den because the way anyame say no e say obi ehun say me ma de a skali ba me
direct aban e pass law no film law no na ye the measures eto ho na ye fix your marketing system no say online platform we the BMA industry bibia app no bibia ye in place security out there to okay
good
bibia like said there will be credit card and machine design bibia ye okay omo mu twa nwura ni nyina ya sa obi ase na fi twa correct movies egu app no so to red marketing strategy ye pay omo ko school e wo marketing hu nimde e wo app no so na yetimi aton movies akọ global because the moment I be online no a global assembly be obi yetimi nya access ti ye pay omo nimde o marketing no more app no so they can sell our movies to other countries.
It will work.
Fantastic movies.
So no, as simple. Very simple.
It can work
perfectly.
Very perfectly.
As simple.
Just say here or more foresight. That's it.
Foresight, you know. Or more. Foresight no more. And
this
thing, Poleeno, menu. Because the idea we won't get the support.
Exactly.
I'm telling you, we won't get the support.
Exactly.
Your issues are ya trust what suggest mango phobia no mudi conversation almost can accommodate that. Nipa na beka say you but emfa. Poleeno, this industry one of the most powerful tooler. Nka buy no any sankofo we e can boom
you make money from it.
Nigerians are doing it. Nigerians are doing good movies till
Papa
now.
Papa, just small analysis. Ghana is over 25 million population. You find say mube 10 million youth. You find say out of 10 million, mube 5 million use smartphones. I know the people within Ghana. The Ghanaians outside. 10 million use phones. Mube 1 million interested in local movies and I say Ghanaian movies. A movie 500,000 ever copy if you drop a movie. And out of 500,000, so the all told me be about could be 2 cities.
Poleeno is
1 million Ghana cedis for one movie. And then it can within a week you can get that money because if it's online,
Waje
obia click it. What 1 million Ghana cedis.
So part 1
we a rough estimate.
Yes, so part 1 is 2 CD, not part 2 is 2 CD.
Akakalito or drop on hitting millions of
what could be
Ntinka the app so
and anka wa show
correct app so with this hype no movie near fantastic with all standard
ngani income obenya yes
1 million or hitting 1 million na a year 2 cities are 2 million Ghana cedis
skaketoa project be na want me fanya dey
2 million Ghana cedis
so
2 million Ghana cedis
2 million Ghana cedis
skabo until be your cocaine continue and to sinini. Sometimes where's our come movie no one say maybe ya.
Oh, and
a way we can make easy money and all filmmakers will be okay.
I'm telling you the truth.
But and like you are saying, most of them I blame say and most of them are not educated. That's the big deal. Most of them illiteracy no more and then they had the film industry.
Yes. Unprofessionals.
Exactly. And only the main factor
what you say?
Had the film industry. Because educated people they can come together and then propose a business plan to the government.
What?
And I say only educated kwa buy no kwa they go like akwa we kwa na school be no akwa o be ka che say nyewe but if you educated you have your master degree na about say bela samwa mo je master degree no nanka emo doso no ma ka bom say yen be ma film industry they will push the government to come and support because they have the knowledge.
Listen, Nigeria are buying support it.
Yeah, because most of Nigerians are educated.
Yes,
most of them. Ghana, how many actors can you pinpoint say they have degrees?
Ghana.
What
do you saying?
Oh, they ain't from Kumasi. Ghana crowd.
Met me about Bella Samuel. Bella Samuel, and I think say Mata Dasari.
Why be?
Bobo mami. Bobo mami. Why be I'm for talent inti almost
and yes school who here.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Say you know who your talent say this is the kind of job you want to do, but then I will say you kita oko school.
Yeah.
Even if say enya or the degree as upgrade oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Your director so say a Fifi Gabes or called director could be a TP clan.
TP.
Yeah.
Hey, director Sam. Director I'm too catch you. Director no way I'm no banana.
So few of them. But people go to Nigeria.
Almost 80%
even
of them.
from the musicians to actors and actresses.
Almost
everyone. If you could masters.
What you say?
If you could first degree.
Nti sa nyoma ni nyina ka ho na high.
What you say? Enti no se nipa no.
So ka say school hu
O kofa app o de mo bi nkwasem o me the app bi aba. Me pese me say e bo moving o say oboa obedi esika.
Illiteracy no. You will not see the vision and pano no.
Obaka so obedi usika.
Exactly. And I make no because you don't we are naive about the nipa na
because obedi esika. You see ni
but I dare say we see there na unim all can cry you can all can not watch you because we industry nim. So all can not watch you go speeder than you no can.
Enti no sa na te nanka producer ntimi ntwa movie. No mfa ne movie en come TV station G me sini na yi
Neji 2 million.
Nema me 2 million.
Are you
okay?
A
whole movie.
Are you okay? 200
Ghana. What 200 Ghana?
Me catch your TV station. Me say nga CD number. Ebe da ho apro.
Obi kwa de kosa G never bo me movie we amede ba advert man. Look at all this.
It doesn't make
sense.
No,
send it movie na why.
Oh, obokabe 20,000, 30,000.
Oh, who you kwada go 200 Ghana cedis, 500 Ghana cedis.
Oh, so aton we.
No, aton we na TV station so edge billions of cedis.
So be here the advert.
Obe here the advert. Am viewers beba so.
Exactly.
Now for the Jessica.
Oh, we so ombu.
Or the way there. And then producers some of them who be already ho. Producers ni bu mo do no more actors and come dodge.
But we said ye can Poleeno Multimedia. Viewers so viewers so be bring ideas you better try you better push it say team grand was here for me near pelly that symbol as among no mu di anymore I'm an industry now working
because Poleeno ain't me nyese no but e bit me do another level e be sa sustain game no amana timi abo ma manfo asa ba mu say na first
talent
a lot
the bia will be
tested talent no
there will be tested there will be the videos and no
I feel that talent no quite there but this time so I quite all hands obie to me play
exactly
and this is first now na any pa baako any pa mienu any pa miensa say any hobium obie play your channel be one ma be like quite no gen now so cause channel no na so be so views out
a channel be a shampoo the chair a pushing it but only unknown faces so it's about what you would do. And everyone that face exactly.
So what I say. So they should sit down and plan something. No more do and push abana. Marco Kumante or creative arts minister. Obviously amphitheater. Obe Jan and Number catch say or July no more year. Obe bien as say April say May. No say July. And I'm say minister. Come on find cause 1 year and po. Hey, how many politicians Poleeno politics say a game be on hey no create can nim one my disappointed Magore Kumante what na e chire akondem kasa and ya maw deputy minister creative arts minister
that's all Carlos
hey say all the 3 months be say amphitheater e culture center
we no specify year
no
because kinda most of us again said the following year.
This year 2020.
2023.
Yeah. Na ejana me wan no. Ama che say uko ha foundation bi na omaye na wode dua be gugu no. Ye nya hwe concrete kwa ye gugu kwa ye nguye. Poleeno I don't know.
All right, the film industry is still going to work. I mean, Poleeno Multimedia, that's what you see. You better try a possible.
Also work you because actors and they are still there. I can't even the last time Emirabo be on screen. I'm not for fino. Oh, acting. Vivian J omo try omo dey bet. You was how born to be no. Oh, born to be now you see say you are watching something from Ghana. Ira. Say no share Nigerian movies you see say these guys are still acting. I don't share movie. But the year this time no, any movie Poleeno, it's just some skills be a boys in the air try some here to hold it the game. And Mr. Lutu Sanko for the young one. And your man can shit. Kaka no more, you know, and the air sustaining game, no. And your one.
And I almost on a measure almost so. Yeah, almost sustaining game, no. They should know that now they are control.
Yeah.
They are in control of the game and see they should do something like I was say.
Yeah,
but more film honing the other day they should upgrade.
But ebi mo so aye adwuma go a enche ebeba very nice work.
Okay.
Aside short ones ebi mo good job. Somebody like Kumawood,
yeah, exactly.
He's doing very well.
Yeah. And so
yes, we try very nice movie and or they but only on YouTube. You can see say you are watching a movie. Dr. Like has also done some. Okay. On so be Ghetto Pasta, very nice one. Okay. And also Eba. And so move free that level no. E dey akwa another level. I think say ebeboa I mean no cry no ebetimi amamon phone say okay be after industry ko dem because Agya Koo man no be can be coming back to the game this time be can be so oba ama Kumawood asan aba back biom aba mi busa mo aba the Agya Koo ba yo be kan aba
okay we are saying
but one say support o if say
young country fans no say they should know say they want no omo so emuye
Poleeno on say fans no ade be de omo timu dem e kwan fa say this ni tete omo no e na mana be omo hu ni sa what as me ka say omo hwe omo this time no millions were chiri omo hu omo
yeah.
So those who are left behind you know
say na le we nkan ho asem
o kan ho asem say
yeah, it says YouTube
nipa bebre aka actually true.
It's true.
But I say no sikano no. And na amanfo entina say.
And na dey na me yeah director Raske ka say first no. O the movie ba o radio.
Yeah.
O TV. Na o promote. E man go for better.
Yeah.
And I'm say and then first me no nyeska. O si nney.
And
I'm adding the name no. Onyeska untimi nko radio ni TV nko promote.
Because so mono they are dwelling on social media.
Yeah. But say you can still promote.
They can do it. In kasa nkofo no maka chire no. With this obi won ma oti TV oti radio until say they will try to go YouTube. You can promote it on TV and radio. They will go to YouTube and watch.
Exactly my point.
Yes.
Say debia we ni pa ba ko the 10 a year to come no wa we say.
Wa we ni so what I say it is omo ne sanka be bonka movie we ye premiere e wo ha say we be hwe no YouTube now the channel ni din ato we betimi afa phone now we dey share
now we educate
ma mi bi kuta Android phone data guso on fa nya hwe
me man a friend no
network ni bi wo kwa na omo ti bi che data ni bi free omo ebi mu data free ma me phone wo show bi phone so data 1000 pa onimi no dey but ne ba betimi asset ne phone ama no iPad bi na da so tablet bi na so no mo ofia no mo hwe there are some of them called to be connected more TV straight now oh hwe so this education enye ne o say my mama hwe ni abema education da mama mama hwe but we are trying yes we are trying say yeah mama for here ehun say the person ni nyina hwa ni nyina kogu YouTube mama okuta o phone o data guso o so sira so person ni hwe onya bi hwe o boss search Poleeno Multimedia o kwako tie nsem ni ya che o se ko ha Nyeko Shaiwe, official Dr. Like TV, Kojon Cancer TV, Rizzy Empire, Nwakwa Abrawa Mafia TV, Chinchina TV, KM TV. Ukwa nyema brego na obefi obenye bia.
Ofoko lege vlog mo.
What I say?
Official virus mu nyina.
Omu nyina ho no ma wetimi akwohwe. Louis Edinkra TV, Wayosi TV. Videos be bre o ma ya very interesting. Checheku TV, See Confion TV, 3940 TV.
Alright, like we said, Poleeno Multimedia, we will try our best. So they were nimdie kakra bi e will be yes, we hear the beba. Only enya adwen also betimi comment.
Yeah.
Watch also adwen na ni nyina abo ama industry na dem. Akọ yapon. Was it there?
Aja abre.